You want to crack it for you?
Do not practice that.
Lay down. I got you. Oh! You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go.
Oh my God!
What did you do to him?
I didn't expect it to
Oh
do
my God,
that.
Dave, are you okay?
No,
Oh
I'm
my
back.
God, what the fuck did you do?
Fucking hot!
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Oh my god! Oh Christ! I just broke my daughter.
Was that really you?
Oh shit!
Are you okay?
Ah!
There was pasta in my mouth.
Hey Jaden, can you crack my back real quick?
Sure. Oh, no. Dad, can you crack my back real quick?
Sure, you got a problem, son?
Yeah.
You know what to do. Just put, cross your arms this way, over the shoulder here, like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, God!
Oh my God!
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Dana.
don't move! Are you
Dana.
okay? Oh my God!
Hey, that
Oh
wasn't
my
gonna
God! Are
find
you
very
okay?
good.
Dude, you can't.
Okay, I think there's something wrong with you.
Wait. What do you wait?
What happened?
Just pop my back all day, wallah.
How?
Just pop it, I don't know.
Put your hands like this.
No, Nadine, it's gonna hurt.
Yeah.
Nadine!
Sure?
Nadine.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, shoot!
وقع طقي كل ظهره.
Hey Dad, can you crack my back?
Yeah. I'm getting tired of doing this.
It was noodles.
Come on, man.
Close your mouth.
Squeeze you?
Yeah, and then like lift her up.
Lean back.
Lift her up.
Oh my god!
Go ahead.
Oh! Oh shit.
I got some noodles in my hands and I'm about to prank Israel. Let's get it. Babe!
Yeah?
Can you hold my crack my back?
Yeah, I'm coming. Hold on.
Oh my god!
Baby!
She's too short.
I'm too short. Just take her back like that.
Dave, my back.
How do you do it?
Here. Just right. Just take her back like that.
Wait, tell me when.
Now. Ready?
Oh!
Oh!
What the heck? See, why did you have me do this, Malia? You all right, honey? Oh my God! It's not funny, Malia. Are you okay, Liz?
Both in my mouth. God. God.
God, it scared me to death.
So there's a new trend on here where you put pasta in your mouth and you ask a friend to crack your back and you bite down and it sounds like you break your back. So I'm gonna go get my friend Ryan real quick.
Hey man, can you crack my back?
What?
I need my back cracked. And I wanna do it for TikTok. I wanna see how bad it is.
I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, just crack it.
Why? For what?
My back's been hurting.
For TikTok?
Yeah.
You gonna punch me?
No,
in the
I'm
nuts?
not
Yes,
gonna
you are.
punch
You're
you.
gonna
I'm not
me
gonna
in the
punch you.
nuts.
It's not a
Promise me you're not gonna punch me in the nuts.
Promise. Just crack my back.
I feel like I'm in the Titanic.
I know.
How do I have to lift you?
No, it's
Why
mostly
am
the
I
back.
This looks so weird. Just tell me when.
Go.
Ah! Are you messing with me?
Oh!
Are you messing with me or no?
Oh my God! You fucking bitch!
You fucking told me to do it. What the fuck are you doing?
Kyle? What? Can you come crack my back really quick, please? Mm-hmm. Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh.
Logan!
Ow.
Are you okay?